Hello, Math 24 students, and welcome to week 4. You'll be glad to know that this week has a Friday holiday, and the following week has a Monday holiday. So your workload will be lighter this week. So I want to make sure you're noticing on the home page that there's a link to my YouTube channel, and all of the Math 24 videos are in order in a playlist there. So if you ever want to go watch one without the embedded quiz, you're welcome to do that. And you can play them at faster speed, and I sound pretty hilarious at 1.5 speed if you're just trying to find a certain spot in the video. Then the Zoom recording links, I'm adding to these each time we have a Zoom meeting. So if you click on Zoom recording links, it takes you to this page, and here are all the Zoom recordings that you have access to. Quick Quiz 2, 3, 4, and 5, and somebody asked a question about Shine Quiz 1 number 5, so I made a note here that that was something else that we talked about on the video. So if you click on these links, they take you to the Zoom website. That's where the videos are stored. So back to the home page, and then you're probably scrolling past all this stuff now because it's the same stuff every week, but notice that the Zoom links are right here. If you need to find one in a hurry, that's probably the easiest spot. And then this is the student hours on Wednesday evenings that you can just come anytime between 6:30 and 8:30. You can ask one question. If nobody's waiting, you can stay for a half an hour and ask a lot of questions. So it's just like an office hour where I'd be in my office with the door open and you can just stop by. You can hang out. Up to you. So here is the button for the week 4 module, and I really hope you're using the modules and not just using the calendar or a to-do list. It really works a lot better if you go to the module, because that's the way I have the course set up. And there are instructional materials in the module that won't show up on your to-do list or calendar because they aren't assignments, they're just information. So the Canvas assignments this week, you have only one quick quiz since Friday's a holiday. I postponed the Shine Quiz 2 due date from last Sunday to next Sunday, so you have an extra week to get it done. Or you could get it done this week. You have everything you need. There will be no discussion board and no journal since Sunday's part of the holiday weekend, so I'm considering it a weekend off, and hopefully a chance for you to catch up if you've fallen a little behind. Then there is Newton homework due only on Tuesday. So I think you'll find that this is a pretty light work week, so this is a really good opportunity to get caught up if you need that. Then there are lecture video quizzes and course back notes to fill in. There are only 2 videos, so that helps you know that this is a little bit shorter section. And then I've worked out a couple of examples all the way start to finish of linear programming problems, so that you have some examples to follow. So this will be the end of the linear programming topic. You'll see one more problem on the next Shine quiz to make sure that you've figured out the whole A to Z process, and then you won't be seeing it again. So I'm sure you'll be sad about that, but try and just buck up. So the Newton homework assignments only on Tuesday, 1 section, and then Friday there won't be any Newton homework due. So I hope you maybe get a holiday weekend from your work. That would be awesome. I'm going to have a lovely weekend with one of my granddaughters. The other one is turning 4 this week, so we'll be going to a birthday party. So hope you have a great week also. Bye.